There used to be a joke once upon a time where people used to say that you will have to pay more for flying and less for traveling on road. It's become the other way around now, wherein you'll have to pay more for your vehicle fuel than what you pay for your jet fuel. That's what's happening in world of finance. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap-Up. The markets were more or less flat and it was in negative direction. Sensex went down by 49 points and the same closed at 61,716. Lot of anticipation was there that market will cross 62,000 today, but that did not happen. Nifty went down by 58 points and the same closed at 18,418, mainly because of reality, FMCG as well as metal stocks which dragged the market down. The big news for the day, CRISIL says that bad debts could raise by 9%, stressed assets could touch 11%. That's because if the economy has not been supported by giving more stimulus as well as credit guarantee thing to a lot of MSMEs, there will be a lot of bad debts, because of which we may see a lot of turbulence would happen with banking sector. So be ready for this if we don't get to see any stimulus coming in from our finance minister. So that would give us the opportunity to buy banking sector stocks. Apart from this, the big news again is RBI slaps 1 crore fine on SBI, that is State Bank of India, wherein they say that they are failing to comply with the fraud classification criteria, and this is one thing that has happened. Probably more banks could fall into this particular thing, because of which they end up paying more fine is what I feel. Daily domestic flyers hit a new record post the COVID-2 hit, wherein last Sunday, that is on 17th, there were 3.3 lakh passengers who travelled on one single day, which is highest till date after the second wave hit us. So I see their recovery happening. At the same time, fintech company called Cred has been valued at $4 billion. Apart from this, they have raised $251 million, and with this they crossed $4 billion as valuation, and most of it is been done by their existing investor Tidal Global as well as Falcon. Apart from this, they have added 2 more new investors in the list, which probably you can see on the screen. Come December 1st, you will get shocker when you watch TV, wherein you will have to pay approximately 50% more charges to watch the same channels. This comes after the government's new regulation comes in, and 4 broadcasters, that is Star, Disney, Sony, Zee as well as Viacom 18, all will come out with a new price chart, and that could be doubling is what the experts say. So be ready to pay more and see the TV or watch the TV. Top gainer for the day is Tech Mahindra, which went up by 4% and the same closed at 1,539 rupee 10 paise. Top loser for the day is ITC, which went down by 6.32% and the same closed at 245 rupee 95 paise. Apart from this, gold has gone up by 321 rupees for every 10 grams and the same is right now trading at 47,612 rupees. Silver has gone up by 1,659 rupees and the same is right now trading at 64,925 rupees. USD has gone up by 8 paise and the same is right now trading at 75 rupee 41 paise. Euro has gone down by 11 paise and the same is right now trading at 87 rupee 80 paise. Petrol and diesel, there is no change in price luckily, but crude is going up. The march continues up and the same has gone up by 52 rupees and it's trading at 6,197 rupees. The technical charts do not give us clear indication because markets were more or less flat when it closed. But however, looking at the global cues and what will happen with the crude oil and the precious metals, we may get to see what will happen in the markets tomorrow. So till then, let's wait and see what will happen with the markets. Do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends so more people can get to learn and they can earn. And yes, we are launching a new learning app which will be called as Stock Byte. Do keep watching our day-to-day market wrap-ups so that you will know when we are launching the app and how you can start enjoying the content. Thank you. Have a great day.